you love electromagnetic simulation software or interested in learning more about it? If yes, then it's time to take your love and interest to the next level. It's time to save the date for the EMWorks User Conference, happening on October 4th in the picturesque city of Montreal. Present your solutions and learn from other exciting projects developed using EMWorks products or services. Get the exposure for your upcoming product and collaborate with other engineers like you. Come face to face with the upcoming features and incredible new products. Learn the best practices for your favorite simulation tools directly from the industry fellows. Get your modeling and simulation related questions answered by our on-site simulation experts. Exciting, isn't it? But that's not all. Join us on a day-long trip to the beautiful village of Mont-Tremblant. Enjoy the magnificent fall colors of Quebec and do super fun activities. EMWorks User Conference is not just an annual event, it is an opportunity for you to learn, network, and grow together.